listening, just listening to water falling slow, slow. Something